content and the structure of the classes is paced really well so that you're able to understand basic Arabic texts in a really short space of time. I think sometimes people are worried that the pace of an Arabic course will go too quickly and that you won't be able to keep up, but actually the pace of these courses is structured really, really well. And because of the smaller class sizes and you're all studying together, I think it flows really, really nicely.
You get through quite a lot in the 2-hour duration of the class. All of the students seem to be engaged. Not only do you learn from the knowledge of the teacher, you learn from the teacher's manners as well. It's a course which actually differs from many of the other Arabic courses that we have, or I have studied.
And small class sizes, I think, really helps because it means that everybody gets to practice their vocabulary and their conversational skills. I think having a native Arabic-speaking scholar as our teacher who only speaks to us in Arabic makes a big difference because we are really challenged and encouraged to use the vocabulary that we've learnt.
Is that we do lots of repetition in that Arabic course, and so it is reinforced into your mind. It's reinforced and actually used practically when going through questions, when going through texts, and it's been of huge benefit.
Here, ba. Down. If anybody wants to use the index card method, so you have that as well. So you print those out.
So studying online has provided opportunities to be studying with teachers that we wouldn't normally have access to. So currently we're studying with Sheikh Mohammed, who's actually from Turkey, originally from Syria.
I thoroughly enjoy the course. I thoroughly enjoy the course, the fact that I find that after each lesson I'm actually learning something. I'm actually going away, and then when I read a piece of Arabic, I'm starting to understand how, without looking at a dictionary, or I'm actually starting to understand the passages. Not only do you learn from the knowledge of the teacher, you learn from the teacher's manners as well. So it's hugely benefit both from a Arabic point of view and from a mannerism point of view.
When a person begins to learn a language, the natural method of learning is through immersion, through mixing with the people. It will not be through grammar. So I believe this course, where we expose it to a lot of conversational Arabic prior to the introduction of some of the heavy grammar, is a great aspect of the course. With this book, personally, I see a pathway of going from a beginner's level all the way to an advanced level. It's a 6-volume set, alhamdulillah. So I have all 6 volumes at the moment. We're currently on book 2, and I've had a sneak peek at book number 6, so I can already see where I will be in a couple of years' time or in a couple of months' time in terms of progression. So I can see the end. Whilst I'm still at the beginning, I can now see the end, and inshallah this should be a book where I can go from beginners to advanced in a short space of time. So the tutorial, which happens in the middle of the week, it's that reminder, that bridge from one lesson to the next. And so as the student approaches the next lesson, he has the chance to brush up on the previous lesson. So when he does attend the next lesson, he's ready to just start and continue.
الأب ما رأيك فيهما؟ الابن الكتابان ممتازان.
دخل المدير الصف ومعه مدرس جديد وكفى التلاميذ. المدير السلام عليكم، التلاميذ وعليكم السلام.
I would highly recommend the Darul Arqam Arabic courses to anyone, regardless of what their level is. Really enjoying the course.